Welcome to Learn Bio Easily. Today we will start with microorganisms, friend and foe. In this picture you can clearly see a camel with its calves and some plants in background. So on earth there are many organisms. Some of them can be seen with naked eyes like here in this picture, and others are not visible with naked eyes. For example microbes, and we can see these microorganisms with the help of a microscope. In these pictures you can see some rotten breads and some rotten fruits, and this is due to the presence of some microorganisms. Here these are different fungi. If you will see a drop of water under a microscope, you will find many microbes. Like here, this is the picture of a water droplet under microscope having loads of microbes, and this is the enlarged picture which is showing presence of paramecium in water droplet. Now types of microorganisms. Microorganisms include bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae and viruses. So a bacteria can be of any shape, and these are some pictures of bacteria with different shapes. These are algae, Chlamydomonas, Pyrogyra. These are protozoa, amoeba and paramecium. These are fungi, bread mold, penicillium, aspergillus. Viruses are a distinct category of microbes. These are also microscopic but are different from other microorganisms in many characters. They reproduce only inside the cells of the host organisms, which may be a bacterium, plant or animal. These viruses can infect bacteria, plant or animal, and they will reproduce inside their host organism. This picture is showing different type of viruses. Now habitat of microbes. They live in all types of environment ranging from ice cold climate to hot springs and deserts to marshy lands. These are also found inside the bodies of animals including humans. Some grow on other organisms while others exist freely. Now we will discuss about some points whether these microorganisms are important for us or harmful for us. So first of all we will discuss about some beneficial microbes. In food preparation, curd, cheese, idlis, etc. are prepared with the help of microbes. The bacterium Lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. It multiplies in milk and converts it into curd. An important ingredient of rava, idlis and bhaturas is curd. Bacteria and yeast are also important for making idlis and dosa better, and this occurs through fermentation. Next is commercial products. Microorganisms are also used for the production of alcohol, wine, acetic acid. Yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol and wine. For this purpose, yeast is grown on natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat, rice, crushed fruit juices. Yeast reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide during respiration. Bubble of the gas fill the duct and increase its volume, and this is fermentation. This is the basis of baking industry for making breads, pastries and cakes. Medicine. Microorganisms also play important role in medicine. Antibiotics. These are the medicines used for killing and stopping the growth of disease causing microorganisms. A number of antibiotics are produced from bacteria and fungi, for example streptomycin, tetracycline, etc. In 1929, Alexander Fleming prepared the first antibiotic, that was penicillin. Now vaccines. For the first time in 1798, Edward Jenner discovered the first vaccine, and it was discovered for smallpox. So what is a vaccine? Vaccines are actually dead or weakened microbes that are introduced into a healthy body, and after their introduction the body fights with these weakened microbes and produce suitable antibodies, and then it will develop immune memory. Means the body will recognize if further attack happened with the same microbes. Several diseases including cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox and hepatitis can be prevented with vaccination. Next benefit from microorganisms is soil fertility. Some bacteria are able to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility. These microorganisms which fix nitrogen are called as nitrogen fixers. For example, nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. Environmental cleaning. Microorganisms decompose dead organic waste of plants and animals and convert them into simple substances, and these simple substances are again consumed by plants and animals. Beside these beneficial microorganisms in nature, there are a number of microorganisms which are very harmful for us, and these are harmful in different ways. Some of them are disease causing and others degrade our food. So the diseases in humans caused by microorganisms includes cholera, which is caused by a bacteria, measles caused by virus, malaria caused by protozoa, disease of animals, anthrax caused by bacterium, foot and mouth disease caused by virus, disease of plants which are caused by microorganisms includes citrus canker caused by bacteria, rust of wheat caused by fungi, yellow vein mosaic disease of bhindi is caused by virus, food poisoning. Food poisoning occurs generally due to the consumption of food spoiled by some harmful microorganisms. Microorganisms that grow on our food sometimes produce toxic substances, and if we eat the food deteriorated with these microorganisms, then it may cause serious illness and sometimes death may occur. So, food preservation should be done to avoid the degradation of food by these microorganisms. And food preservation can be done by chemical methods, by adding some chemically made food preservatives, or by adding common salt. Preservation can be done with sugar. Preservation can be done with oil or vinegar. Heat and cold treatments could be done. For example, in pasteurization of milk, heat and cold treatments are given. Salting is usually done to preserve meat, fish, amla, raw mangoes, tamarind, etc. Jams and jellies are preserved by adding sugars. Vegetable, meat, fishes, etc. are also preserved in oils or vinegar. And this heat and cold treatments during pasteurization of milk involves rapid heating and cooling. And by this method, microbial growth can be stopped. Next is nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation may occur through environmental actions or microbial action. And rhizobium is one of the famous nitrogen fixer which basically resides in root nodules.